What? What are you yapping about? Good morning, everyone. Monday morning. Good morning, Garth. Hope everybody had a blessed weekend. I was playing with lights out in the cold yesterday. I just want to start this day off. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Thank you for looking over each and every one of us, putting the love in our hearts, watching over each and every one of us, all our children, friends, family. You have a full-time job, and I'm grateful for it. What about you, Gizmo? You grateful? Yeah? You want food? Is that your problem? Yep. Everybody wants to eat. Everybody wants to have yum-yums this morning. Hope everybody has a blessed day. Remember, positivity is power. Love wins. You know, you don't have to give everybody all these gifts for Christmas. You can give them love from your heart. Sometimes that's more than anybody really needs instead of a material thing. We got cloudy skies and it's raining this morning. But it's all right. We need the rain. Without it, nothing grows. My grandmother used to call it angel's tears. I always try to remember my grandparents. We have to remember the living, and we have to also remember the dead. You have to respect both. Just give thanks. Thank you all for being here. Hope your day is blessed as mine. Let's all have blessings together. Just take a minute to think. Take 20 seconds out of your day and just reflect. Love each and every one of you. Let's keep this positive train going. Keep it moving. Take care. Have a great day. Ciao for now.